In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your WordPress blog content into HubSpot. If you're moving your website content over and you want to bring your existing blog posts with you, HubSpot includes a built-in import tool that can help simplify the process. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through where to find that tool, how to connect your WordPress blog, and what to expect during the import. To get started, log into your main HubSpot dashboard. Once you're inside the account, go to the top navigation menu and open the marketing section. From there, move into website and then select blog. This takes you to the area where your blog content is managed inside HubSpot. After you've opened the blog section, look for the blog tools drop-down menu, click on it to reveal the available options, then choose import blog content. This opens HubSpot's blog import area, which is designed to help you bring in posts from another platform without manually recreating each one. On the import screen, you'll see different import choices. From those options, select the WordPress Connect import wizard card. This is the correct tool to use when your existing blog is hosted on WordPress and you want HubSpot to pull that content in for you. Choosing the right importer matters here since it determines how HubSpot reads and processes your blog data. Next, enter your live WordPress blog homepage URL into the target domain field. Make sure you use the correct blog homepage address so HubSpot can properly locate your content and scan the structure of the site. It's a good idea to double check the URL before moving forward, because even a small mistake can prevent the import from working correctly. Once the URL is entered, click Import. HubSpot will begin parsing the site structure and identifying the blog articles available on your WordPress site. From there, it will copy your existing posts into your CRM database. Depending on the size of your blog and the number of articles being imported, this process may take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. As the import runs, HubSpot is essentially mapping your old content so it can be transferred into your new environment. After the process is complete, you can review the imported posts inside HubSpot to make sure everything came over as expected. That's it. This is the quickest way to start migrating your WordPress blog content into HubSpot using the built-in import tool.